Today we're gonna making slime. So first up, we're gonna need heavy Elmer glue. This is really heavy. Okay, not that much. Okay, next we're gonna add purple coloring. If you add a lot, I think it's gonna turn into blue. 2 drops. Good. Activator. 2 drops of that. And then some of this. Okay, it's a good consistency. Okay, no more. A lot more. Okay. Now we need
the best gun in the game. A pistol.
Woo! Okay, that was my activator was almost gonna fall. Okay, it's like really good now. So now I'm gonna mix with my hands. Ooh. Still a little bit sticky. Not a little bit, but a little bit, a lot. Okay, so it's coming together. It's just not yet. I just have to keep stretching this out. Sticky. It's not really stretchy. The activator's in the way. Sorry. I'm trying to not get nothing in the way. But as well, trying to show you what I'm doing, but can't that much. I am. Oh my gosh. There's a little bit of too much activator. Okay, it's still working. I mean, look at that. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's really good slime now. It's just a little tiny bit sticky. It's so stressed. I'm so stressed. Okay, now it's all done.